There are four types of muscle contraction, and these consist of, as you can see, isometric, concentric, eccentric, and isotomic contraction. Firstly, isometric contraction is when the muscle contracts but stays the same length, and this therefore allows no movement. Secondly, concentric contraction is when tension is caused in the muscle, meaning that it shortens, and as it shortens, generates enough power to lift or perform the contraction needed. For example, when curling in a bicep curl. Eccentric contraction is when the ends of the muscle extend and the force down has to be greater than the muscular force, but only by a bit, so that eccentric contraction can take place. And lastly, isotomic contraction is when the muscle changes its length and therefore has to generate a greater force than the downward force in order for the contraction to happen.